Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors, and thank you very much for coming to watch a video today. This is going to be another project share uh, in my collaboration with Panda Hall, and they are a wholesaler of many crafty items like jewelry and beads, painting supplies, sewing, paper craft items, and all kinds of DIY crafts. But they, even though they're a wholesaler, you can still get really good prices on things. And I do have a discount code. It is YXYT Diana. And I'll put that on the screen and in the description box along with the official website and the products that we'll be using today. So you see I have my tools out here, and we're going to be working with this little girl here. And this is going to be a very simple video. Um, this is a very large charm. It's made of hard rubber. It's very well made. She's very, very cute. And these were only a little over $2 for 5 of these. And I also got her little buddy here with his goggles and little inner tube when I was there, and you also got 5 of those. So I have this little book here, and I'm going to be putting our little girl. This is all about the beach here. So I'm going to be putting our little girl on here. Very, very easy. And I'm doing this this way in case the recipient of this little book wants to take her off and use her for something else, because she could certainly go on a keychain or a purse charm, um, or a pokey tool, beaded pen, any of those things. And I'm also going to add these little blue beads here. So I have a jump ring here, which I have opened up using my 2 pliers. Just pull them apart, and I'm going to put our beads on there, and I'm going to go in through the back of our little girl here and put her on so that she will be facing the correct direction. So now I'm going to just close this up, and the best way to do this is just to push the one in your right hand back and pull the one in your left hand forward until those two meet. And that is the best way to get them to close as tightly as they can. And I'm using these large jump rings and not a chain or anything today, just to keep it simple. So now I have another jump ring, and I'm going to put that through our first jump ring just to let it hang a little bit lower. So those rings, it won't interfere with the rings of the book opening. So I'm closing this up the same way. Whoops, but first I have to put it on the book. That was dumb. Okay, let's get it on the book. That's better. And now we're going to close it up. Okay, that looks pretty good. So there she is. And this is just very easily removed, and put it on another project. So I hope you liked the little video, and thank you to Panda Hall. I have one more video that I'm going to be doing, and I'll be back in about a week with that project share. So thank you all who have been following along with these Panda Hall products. They really are very, very good company to buy from. Um, so I will see you next time with something new. Bye.